Welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to teach you and tell you how to send automated direct messages to your new followers, and you will see why it is very important to do it as an extra promotion, even if you have products, services that you offer, etc. So we go here, and if you see here there is a shop or different shops here that when Inmars followed them, then they send a direct message right back, which is automated basically. And for example, the first one, it says, "Hi Inmars, we are a wellness startup that is called Vivo based on blah blah blah." Okay, and then they promote their application, and then they promote also their website, and then they say, "For further information, please feel free to ask." And so this is the first one. The second one says, "Hi, hope you're well, blah blah blah," and then they promote an Etsy shop. And the third one says, "Thank you for following us, don't forget galiva.com on your next trip." So basically this message that they have right here goes to every one new follower that they have, and then with this simple step they just promote their services or their website, their shop, etc. They just promote it to every different person, and this is how also they are building a brand, and then they are getting more sales. And also, just so you know, and you probably have seen it yourself, people in general check their direct messages on Instagram. So when you promote your product or whatever else you want to promote to these people, they will check it, they will open it, and then they will read what you wrote them. And yes, so this is how it goes. So you promote to every single person, and your brand gets bigger, your name gets bigger. So now I'm going to show you which exactly website to use for these automated direct messages on Instagram. And the web page is Instazood. We have already talked about Instazood in another Instagram video, so you know how it goes and how it functions. And there are different services in Instazood. One service is for follow and follow, automated follow and follow, automated likes, and automated comments. And another one is here, the direct messages. So here in this one we don't have any ready yet, but we have in Inmars, in the account of Inmars, and it looks like this. Yeah, basically this is the text for Inmars, so you can